Okay guys, I'm gonna make some soup, sukiyaki soup. The first thing I'm gonna boil some pork bone. Like that. Boil the pork bone to make a sukiyaki. And I boil about 10 minutes and I clean all the fat out. And after that, I'm gonna start the soup now. Ginger and celery. Tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of MSG, and 2 pieces of chicken flavor. See, looks good now. Let me taste a little bit. It's good. Then I'm gonna keep boiling it maybe about 45 minutes. This one I just started maybe hours ago. And I could keep boiling until 45 minutes and start eating. This one is the pot soup for sukiyaki. This one I don't add anything, only celery and ginger. That's it. The rest today my sukiyaki today I don't want to add too much seafood. I add only shrimp a little bit because that's how I want to eat. And meatball. That's all. Meatball I can dip with the sauce. That I can show you that, and after that I'm gonna show you the vegetable. I need some mushroom in here, pinch mushroom. I don't know the name, but this one is napa, Chinese napa. This is bok choy. See, I gonna eat from last night, but I don't have chance because I so busy. And this snow pea, and this is napa. This is the vegetable water. I don't know how to call it. That's all the vegetable I have for today. The noodle, I use a tiny noodle like that. Okay guys, and come see with me. I'm gonna start a cook vegetable. Okay, this is for only myself, like this. A lot of vegetable when I have a sukiyaki. I'm gonna add to the bowl like that. Okay, and after that I'm gonna cook some bok choy. Cook the vegetable. I'm gonna put in the cold water. That's how I cook vegetable. Just wait a little bit and you take it out and put in the cold water. Okay? The water, I like that vegetable a lot. So especially I need a tofu, but I don't have a tofu. It's okay. You know, I can eat like this. You guys see my bowl? Big and huge. First vegetable, I put them down. Chop with the cold water. I forgot the name, sorry guys. Pak Nam, I forgot the name, but Lao they call Pak Nam. Water vegetable. Choking up cold water. And mushroom. Put down the mushroom, cook. Okay. Take out the napa. Not too long. If too long, gonna be not too good. You know, too soggy. You know. And I'm gonna add some shrimp. Shrimp to my bowl. Out the mushroom. I'm gonna make my bowl. This is bok choy and snow pea. Vegetable water. Napa. And I got 1 egg. To the soup part. this is my bowl. Sukiyaki bowl. Hello everybody มากินอัน Sukiyaki นำกันเด้อเห็นปะแซ่บปะ You know, remember the sauce I made, and I'm gonna add the sauce to the bowl, and sugar, and chili oil, and all the vegetable I cooked. Come enjoy with me, guys. Oh my god, looks so good. Come enjoy with me, guys. They call Sukiyaki, okay? The sauce I'm gonna dip with all the vegetable here. Okay guys, that's all for the Sukiyaki bowl today. Please follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe for me. See you next video guys. Bye bye.